So here is how to actually throw an exception. Exceptions are thrown with a throw statement, and it usually looks like this. It starts with throw, and then a new class of the exception. This example is an illegal argument exception, and most classes allow you to input an error message like argument invalid that will be printed along with it. So, from the textbook, when you detect an error condition, your job is really easy. You just throw an appropriate exception object and you're done. So in fact, for every runtime error that you've ever gotten while trying to write Java code, someone under the hood has written a throw statement. But now you'll be able to write them yourself. And here's an example of what that would look like. So suppose this is code for an ATM where I want to withdraw some money and I have an account balance. So if the withdrawal amount is greater than my balance, I shouldn't allow that, and I throw a new illegal argument exception, and I have the error amount exceeds balance. But suppose that my account balance is less than my withdrawal amount, and we have this code that throws an exception. Let's try executing this. This is called text. Okay, so here we get an exception and thread, illegal argument exception, amount exceeds balance, which is the error that we input, and then it even tells us what line that the error was thrown on, or that the exception was thrown on, which is line 9. But if our account balance is greater than the withdrawal amount, then we expect the rest of the code to be executed normally. And then we get our balance after withdrawal. And so, in that case, I threw an illegal argument exception. But the Java library provides many classes to signal all sorts of exceptional conditions. Here is what I threw. There's arithmetic exceptions, index out of bounds exceptions, and you can throw any one for any type of error. It's up to you to decide what's appropriate for your situation.